Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. It's grilling season and today I'm sharing our recipe for making bacon wrapped asparagus bundles on the grill. There's just something about that combination of asparagus with salty, smoky bacon that is so tasty. Keep watching to see how we get the bacon nice and crispy and cooked all the way through. Now let me show you how easy these are to make. Here's everything you'll need, and I've listed the ingredients in the recipe, plus details about how to cook these in the oven in the description box below. For this recipe, we're using thin cut bacon, which will cook more quickly and it's easier to wrap around the asparagus. Lay the strips out in a single layer on a paper towel lined microwave safe dish and microwave these on high for about a minute or two. We're cooking it about halfway, just until the bacon fat begins to render. Next, we're going to remove the thicker, tougher, woody ends. Hold the bottom in one hand, and with the other hand, bend each spear until it snaps. And the spears will snap naturally in just the right spot where the woody bit begins. And here's a look at the bacon. We're going to let this cool down a little until it's easy enough to handle. And then drizzle the asparagus with 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Divide the asparagus into bundles of 3 or 4 spears. Stretch and wrap a piece of bacon around the bundle of asparagus, overlapping the first bit of bacon and then continue to wrap up the stalks. And I like to use a bit of kitchen twine to secure the bacon. You can also use toothpicks. If this is your first time at our channel, welcome. We're making easy, no-fail recipes you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Okay, let's get these on the grill. Cook the asparagus on a medium hot grill, leaving just a little space between the bundles. Grill for 5 to 10 minutes, turning every few minutes for even grilling. These look delicious, right? Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps us out. And if you get a chance to make these, let me know how they turned out for you. These are done when the bacon fat has rendered and the bacon is crispy, the asparagus is caramelized with brown spots, and they're tender. Serve as an appetizer, side dish, or snack. They're great for family dinners and for parties. Today I'm also grilling up one of our favorite marinated chicken recipes. We have it a couple of times a week and I'll link it up here for you. It's super delicious and it's got lots of great flavor. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe so you know when we post a new recipe. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video.